My truck's battery died. Let's see if I can repair this battery. In this video, I am going to take a look at Car Battery Charger by ABLY. You can find this in Amazon for under $30. First, let's do unboxing. So here is the situation. I haven't used the car for few months, and when I tried to start the car, it wouldn't crank. So I jump charged the car and it seems to start. But next day, the car didn't start again. I really don't want to buy new battery because this battery is only barely over 1 year. Let's see if this battery charge will repair the battery. Here, I plugged in the charger to the power outlet. Then I plug positive wire and negative wire to the battery. The charger will automatically detect the battery and start charging. I let that charge for few hours. Once the charger indicator says full, I unplugged the charger. After I tried to start the car, it worked. Afterwards, I tried to start the next day. It continued to start. After few months later, the car continued to start. So this charger actually works flawlessly. If somehow battery doesn't charge, you can try to repair mode. Repair mode takes about 18 hours. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe.